7 pillars of green beauty. Vegan. Vegan skincare. Is it all it's cracked up to be? Wow, what a buzzword over the last few years. Vegan skincare, vegan makeup, vegan beauty, vegan food, just vegan everything, frankly. As you know, it's gone berserk. What does it actually really mean? So, in beauty, it means you produced a product that doesn't have any animal products or any animal by-products. That is what it means. And obviously, if you're ethically vegan, that's crucial. What it doesn't mean, though, is interesting. It does not mean that that product is natural. It does not mean that that product is organic. It does not even technically really have to mean that that product is cruelty-free. It would be if in the EU, because you can't animal test, but out of the EU, you could technically be vegan and not include animal ingredients, but still test on animals. I mean, that's just a head screw. Not exactly in the spirit of veganism, but kind of getting my point of what's actually possible. The challenge with vegan skincare and beauty is, like cruelty-free, it's one of the easiest things to do. You just don't include any animal products, so you don't include any honey, any beeswax, any lanolin, carmine. There's a big list. I'm going to do a blog of a list. But you could include all sorts of shocking ingredients otherwise, but it would still be vegan. But yet you'd get your big green leaf mark. And so this is the challenge. Veganism on skin and beauty products makes it look definitively green, and it might not be. So when you are paying for vegan skincare, do not presume that means natural or organic. Pink's Boutique is vegan, but full disclosure, we self-certify that veganism. We used to pay for an official Vegan Society badge, but in the kind of 10, 12 years we've been doing it, that has gone up about 8 times in price. And all they do is ask for a written INCI list. They're not checking the products, they're not checking the ingredients, and frankly, compared to the hoops we jump through for Soil Association, it's just ridiculous how inconsequential their checking is. So we're not doing it, but obviously we get full disclosure on INCI lists and don't use any animal or any animal byproducts to keep it simple. But conclusion, vegan green leaves, maybe not always as green as you would hope, but obviously crucial if you are vegan and need a product to be vegan.